Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Hasita Education. Today we are going to learn 8th class social second lesson Energy from the Sun lesson part 2. This is the last part of this lesson. Before going into the topic, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. I asked a question, what is atmosphere, in my earlier social video. Now I am going to mention the names who said the correct answer for that question. Let's see. Sirisai from Nakshatra School, K. Sangeeta from Kids Pathshala School, Jagadish from Bhashyam School. These guys said the correct answer, and hearty congratulations friends for the correct answer. So let's get into the video Energy from the Sun. Scientists have recorded the highest and lowest temperatures reached on the earth. For example, highest temperature recorded from a place called Azizia in Libya, means Africa, where in July 1922 the temperature reached 57.8 degrees Celsius. In Vostok Station in Antarctica, the temperature fell to minus 89.2 degrees Celsius in July 1983. When the temperature reaches 100 degrees centigrade, then it starts boiling. When the temperature reaches 0 degrees centigrade, then it starts freezing. The lowest minimum temperatures is minus 273.16 degrees centigrade. The temperature can't go below this. Places that are near to the sea and far from the sea usually have the different many temperatures. For example, the temperature in Panaji not change much throughout the year because it's on the seashore. It's difficult for the sun to heat up or cool down the surface of the seashore. Therefore, places near the sea actually have temperatures that remain fairly constant throughout the year. They have what is known as a moderate temperature. In constant contrast to this, Hyderabad is far away from the sea. There is no moderating influence of the sea in Hyderabad. In the summers, the ground temperature rises up and this heats up the air. In winters, the ground temperature falls and the air is so cooled. This is called extreme climate. Simply we call e-climate. At the peak of summer, some people go from the plains to hilly places such as Ooty or Shimla to avoid the heat. Even in the summer months, the temperatures are low on high hills. The highest parts of a mountain generally have the lowest temperatures. Temperature decreases with elevation, sometimes especially in morning during winters. Lower temperatures are found near the ground. You can see dewdrops on the grass due to condensation. The cooler temperatures near the ground level are due to the less amount of insolation. Insolation received due to the shortest days and excessive radiation due to the longer nights. This is known as inversion. Places near equator usually get more heat. Places further away from the equator often have lower average temperatures throughout the year. India is a vast sprawling country and the temperature varies in the different regions. If we want to find out which places are hotter and which are cooler, we can use a temperature map. Guys, let's see keywords and definitions from this lesson now. Let's go. Atmosphere. The envelope of gases surrounds the earth or planet. Equatorial regions. Equatorial regions are located in a band around the equator and cover about 6% of the earth's surface. They are often in the lowland areas and have a climate that is hot and wet all around the year. Tropical rainforests grow the equatorial regions. Condensation, the act or process of some condensation, such as a chemical reaction involving union between molecules, often with elimination of simple molecule, such as to form a new more complex compound of often greater molecule weight. Solar radiation. Solar radiation, often called the solar resource. Solar resource is general term for the electromagnetic radiation emitted by the sun. Solar radiation can be captured and turned into useful forms of energy such as heat and electricity using of a various variety of technologies. Insolation. Solar insolation is defined as the flux of solar radiation per unit of horizon area for a given locality. So we call the insolation of the solar radiation. Angle of incidence. The angle that a ray of light or a straight line meeting at a surface makes with a normal to the surface at the point of meeting. That is called angle of incidence. Heat balance. The distribution of heat energy supplied to a thermomechanical system as a steam power plant among the various strains upon it, including both useful output and losses, also an elevation or record of such distribution, that is called heat balance. Maximum temperature. This is the highest temperature recorded during a specified time of periods, include 6, 12 or 24 hours. The most common reference is to the daily maximum temperature or highest temperature. Minimum temperature. The lowest temperature recorded diurnally, monthly, seasonally or annually, or the lowest temperature of the entire record. Daily air temperature minimum are recorded by the screen minimum thermometer. See also minimum thermometer. Next, temperature inversion. Temperature inversion, also called thermal inversion, a reversal of the normal behavior of temperature in the troposphere, the region of the earth's surface in which a layer of cool air at the surface is overlain by a layer of warmer air. This is called temperature inversion. Global warming. Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutions and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off of the earth's surface. And finally, temperature, a measure of the warmth and coldness of an object or substance with reference to some standard value. The temperature of two systems is the same when the systems are in thermal equilibrium. This video is completed with this part. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to press bell icon. Bye bye.